Hausa Fulani, he don't finally said as this Hausa man don't come outside, come tell the public for this video or voice where we go play for you right now. Come tell us say that the Hausa people are not in support of anything Fulani are doing in their land, that there is nothing like Arewa or all this organization you see in the north. They are not in support in it, that the Fulani are creating it to destroy the Hausa people, that they will make sure that the Fulanis leave their land. My people now say you don't read though. As that one they happen, they say that one farmer, the way people take the farm now for inside north, most of them now, if you know agree to work for Boko Haram or bandits, say if you know agree to work for them, to go message for them, omo, you no go near your farm. As this farm now, this farmer don't enter inside police wahala. I'll play the video, may you watch. However, welcome back to Balabas Gist. I want to play this voice note leak from the Hausa man as he explain the things we Fulani they do to destroy Nigeria.
We don't have specific location to claim. That is why they are saying Ariwa. Ariwa is not a nation. Ariwa is not a land. Ariwa is not a state. Ariwa is not a local government. Ariwa Consultative Forum, Ariwa Elders, Ariwa Youths, Ariwa Sheikh, Ariwa Imams, Ariwa Kings, we don't know them. We have Hausa land. Let Hausa people talk against their own nation, Hausa land. Let the Kanuri talk concerning Northeast. We don't know anything called Ariwa. We have Middle Belt, Central Nigeria. We have Hausa land. We have Kanuri land. We have Igbo and Yoruba lands and other indigenous that exist within those lands. Fulani have no any place to claim. That is why they are saying Ariwa. Whoever come out and talk on behalf of Ariwa is a Fulani. We Hausa are different. Hausa is a tribe with nation and its culture on its own. Hausa people are separate. Fulani people are separate. They are invaders. We don't know them. They just came to claim our land. They kill our emirs, kings, and other grandfathers to claim our land. Let all the Igbos know that who created the Biafran wars are Fulanis. Sardauna is a Fulani man. He's not a Hausa. We don't know where they came from. They don't have a specific place to claim as their own nation. Fulani came to Africa just to conquer every places and kill any other indigenous within each and every country within Africa. Be careful. Those people protesting, calling Zanga, they are Shiites. They are Shiites. Al-Zazaki teams, they are the one trying to create war, to claim our nation, to divide and kill everybody pertaining anybody in Nigeria. We don't know where they came from. It's Fulani that is creating this problem. They are protesting. They just want to create war. Be careful. We have to look back to what happened in Sudan, Libya. All those things are created mainly by gypsy, Karamita, those that don't have religion, they don't have origin. They went there, overpowered the indigenous of those places, and created war and problems within those places. So we have the same people here in Nigeria. They are the Fulanis. They are the Fulanis. My dear brothers and sisters, our indigenous, our Yoruba, Igbo, and other middle belters, be careful. This world is not a place to joke. We are staying with our enemies. We have to know who are our enemies and who are our lovers' friends. We have to be very careful. We are Hausa, we are different from Fulani. Fulani are clean Hausas. Fulanis are clean Igbos. They are clean Yorubas. They have killed Kanuris. They created Boko Haram just to wipe the Kanuri people and their land. We have to be very careful. This protest is mainly sponsored and organized by Fulanis because they lost power. They don't have power in Nigeria. President Buhari is the last Fulani person that will rule in this country. And he gave them all the capacity, power, position, and he invests in Mieti Allah group just to overpower every other person in this our country. Fulani have done the worst to everybody in this country, Nigeria. We have to be very careful. Fulani are not Nigeria. They are the one creating problem. We have to be very careful. My dear brothers and sisters, my fellow indigenous, I am talking on behalf of my nation and my people.
My nation.
We are different. There is no any two in one tribe in one. No. Fulani are Fulanis. Fulanis are the terrorists. Fulanis are the one disturbing us in this country. We have to be very careful. We have to inform others. This protest is not against hunger. No any hunger in this country. Fulani are the one that created this artificial hunger. They are the one sending cows to our farms. They are the one clearing our farms. They created artificial hunger to make us angry because an angry man, a hungry man is an angry man. That is the strategies they use. We have to be very careful. Our problem in Nigeria is not hunger. Our problem in Nigeria is not subsidy. Our problem in Nigeria are Fulanis. Fulanis are our main key enemies. They want to destroy our country. They want to destroy Nigeria. They are claiming North. They are claiming Ariwa. We don't have any North Ariwa. Nobody should talk on behalf of Ariwa. We don't know anything called Ariwa. Ariwa is a nation or is a place where Fulani I use the word to talk on behalf of others, indigenous, but we don't recognize anything called Ariwa. Let everybody know.
I rented a farm from Gidandogu Bush there in April. I start work there in April. Ending of April, when I'm working there, and also kidnapper come meet me at the farm. When they carry me out, they said that they are going to keep me unless I pay before I come out. And now they say I'm only a farmer. I just come here to farm a food that can help my children. I don't have any money. Let them help me. The NACO say, okay, they will give me 2 options. Because this is my farm here, if I will always supply logistic for them, they will allow me to do my farm. They cannot harm me. Their logistic, they bring Hollandia yogurt, sometimes bread, minerals, sometimes and Martina. I will supply for them. Then they now come begin to start to send me again the money to give to their people.
Which kind of money? Is it not ransom that you send to their family?
So they, by my own, the money that they give me, I collected and give their people. They now come ask me, say, why they are giving me a money like this, which amount like 5 million to go give person, but I still carry the money go give. I say, because this is not the money that I'm finding for my life. My own money was a farm. If I farm, what I get for farm, that's what I'm going to use. But the money, I don't know where the money from, I cannot feel use it. I hate the Oga come see me like that, he now come out 200,000 and dash me. He say I'm a good man to him. Apply for POS is the first time is 1 million naira I transfer to POS. The second time again is 300,000. The third one is 100,000. I supply for them. They now tell me that as the case, I did not chop their money. I did not collect their money run. So let me continue to do my farm work. Nothing can harm me.
Apart from supply logistics, are you not taking their bandit members to the camp?
If you get a time that I'm in the farm, they now call me. Let me go back to the junction. They get some people that they want to enter inside. They want to go meet them. I now carry my bike and pick them at junction, bring it to them.
Which kind of people?
Sometimes those ones that they are.
Okay, my wonderful people, oh, Sabina, don't say am. You know say wetin dey happen for Nigeria na everything dey carry am piam give am for Igbo people head. This voice was made during this protest or after the protest. Now this Hausa man dropped this voice, and this is not the first and this is not the second. We have made video exactly this same voice for 3 times in this particular channel, telling things about where Nigeria is going that day. This time around now, the Funanis are very angry because they are not sure if they will ever emerge as Nigeria president. You don't read. So that's why they are very, very angry, and they must do everything to be there again. Now I can say here, and also saying this voice that the ones who organized the protests. For I want Asari Dokubo to also listen to this and hear. This one now is not an Igbo. You have no business with an Igbo. It's an Hausa, pure Hausa man is talking. He's explaining how the Funanis is doing what they are doing in this country, and nobody is talking. But everything they will turn around and target the Igbo people. So you don't see the business where they go on for inside north, where we say if you no become logistic to bandit, you no go fit go inside your farm again. All those things follow for the hunger, waiting for the land. And at the same thing, they want carry come for southeast. They don't already there for Enugu side. Nnamdi Kanu stood up and said, no, we don't need this. And this is how Nnamdi Kanu become a bad person and end up in Nigeria. They go and kidnap him from Kenya. The same thing they want to go and do to Simon Ekpa today. But however, I want you people to drop your own opinion and share the video. The problem we have in this country, if people don't hear them, see the people where they do am, no be me talk am. Share the video as it dey hot.